Good morning. This is the morning news on Remote TV. I am Oluduro Jeremiah. On national news, National Association of Nigerian Students (NANS) has called on the President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration to urgently address insecurity in the country, especially attacks and kidnappings targeted on students and school children before it becomes too late. NANS Senate President Chuks Okafor, who made the appeal yesterday in Awka, Anambra State, regretted that over 100 students had been kidnapped in deadly attacks across higher institutions in Nigeria, with many of them still missing. He said it has become exigent for Nigerian students to add their voice towards this sad development that is gradually gaining momentum. Nigeria, as we speak, is at crossroads. The unbearable happenstance is the fact that there will be signals that an attack will happen. It will happen and nothing will happen. Still on national news, the People's Democratic Party, the Arewa Consultative Forum, the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, and the Yoruba Socio-Political Group Afenifere on Tuesday took a swipe at the presidency over an allegation that some leaders were plotting to overthrow the president, Major General Muhammadu Buhari. The groups cautioned the presidency against misinterpreting well-intended criticism and worsening insecurity in the country. The presidency earlier on Tuesday claimed it had evidence to show that some elements were recruiting ethnic groups and politicians with the motive of convening conferences were a vote of no confidence with the past in the president. It said the purpose of the move was to further throw the country into turmoil. The special advisor to the president on media and publicity, Femi Adesina, disclosed this in a statement titled "Our Response to DSS Allowed by Presidency." Adesina was giving further insight into a recent claim by the Department of State Services that some people were planning to undermine the government and the nation's sovereignty. On international news, former US President Donald Trump has launched an online platform aimed at directly communicating with the supporters months after his various social media accounts were banned over allegations that he used the tools to disseminate election falsehood. Dubbed from the decks of Donald Trump, the platform, which resembles Twitter, which alongside Facebook banned Trump from posting messages in the aftermath of the January 6 Capitol riot that the former president was accused of inciting. The site now contains what appears to be archive posts dating back to March 24, with the latest one dated Tuesday being a video that condemns Twitter for silencing Donald Trump's voice. The platform includes buttons of supporters to like or share its content on Facebook and Twitter. Supporters can also click a button enabling them to be notified when Donald Trump sends out a message. On sports news, CAF and FIFA have approved 7 stadiums in Nigeria to host the Super Eagles 2022 World Cup Qualifiers home games. The stadiums are Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium in Enugu, National Stadium Abuja, Adoke Amesimaka International Stadium in Port Harcourt. Others include the Stephen Keshi Stadium in Asaba, Teslim Balogun Stadium in Lagos, Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium Benin, and Akwa Ibom International Stadium Uyo. It remains to be seen which of these stadiums will host the 3 home games, but the Akwa Ibom International Stadium in Uyo is a favorite. The stadium has hosted a majority of Super Eagles games since 2015, including all of the 2018 World Cup Qualifiers. However, the Teslim Balogun and Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium are also options, with both stadiums hosting Nigeria's last 2 games in the 2021 African Cup of Nations qualifiers. And lastly, on entertainment, the Lagos State government has advised the State Police Command to charge Nollywood actor Olarewaju James, also known as Baba Ijesha, to court over the sexual abuse allegation against him. The advice was given by the Directorate of Public Prosecutions, which revealed that Baba Ijesha may be sentenced to life imprisonment if found guilty in court. This was disclosed in a statement issued on Tuesday and signed by the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice in Lagos State, Honorable Moyosori Onibanjo. The statement reads, "It would be recalled that the Nigeria Police Force arrested Mr. Olarewaju James, also known as Baba Ijesha, on account of various sexual abuse allegations. On the 30th of April 2021, the police forwarded the case file of COPV Olarewaju James to the Directorate of Public Prosecutions (DPP) for legal advice. After the consideration of the facts in the case file, the Directorate of Public Prosecutions issued legal advice on the 4th of May 2021, which is to seek the effect that a prima facie case has been disclosed against Mr. Olariwaju James and recommended that he be charged under the following provisions of the Criminal Law of Lagos State 2015. And that'll be all on the morning news on Remo TV. For more news, check us on our social media platforms on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at Official Remo TV. Visit our website at www.remotv.com.ng. I am Oluduro Jeremiah. Good morning.